Hello friend, welcome you again your own channel EasyTech Solution, and today I'm going to give you best solution for Android like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, like any Android phone if you have. So you can unlock your phone like finger pattern, finger face, pin pattern without any loss of data or without any help of computer. By doing this method friend, you can unlock your any Android phone at home. So let's start friend. Whenever your handset is locked, if any family member or child made by mistake, so I'm going to give you best and simple tricks to unlock. So your phone, whenever your phone is unlocked, you have to focus first of all after before starting these videos, and before starting this process you have to take care about your battery percentage. Minimum 42%, 40 to 50% your handset have to charge, because friend, if handset is switched off during this unlocking process, so any data of your phones can be deleted during this period. So you have to pay lots of attention at the time of this process. So friend, watch this video till the end without a skip, then you will be able to unlock your handset. So you can see that in the bottom of your screen, emergency calls button is showing here. So press here, and I'm going to give you best unique codes, so apply with me. And this code is very simple code I am giving here. You can note down or you can take a screenshot and apply calls button 5 times. Minimum 5 times you have to apply. This one is the last. After completing this process, and the last and most important step, this is called master locking process, and where I'm going to apply star has 8889 and has. So this is called master locking code, and this is called engineer mode page. Engineer mode, so as you can see on the screen, there are so many options. You have to click on the second last option and press here and go with the software version and press version. You have to press 5 times here on version 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After completing this method or completing this process, again click manual test and go in the device debugging page, and sensor self test calibration is here. So you can see there are two options. You have to press both the option. One we have to show in pass mode. Again we have to apply till when not this operation is not started. So we have to wait for past. Again apply this process. Press at the same time. Now you can see on the screen on hand this one option is showing text pass. So again this is the last process, and go with the others page and press here rewrite important log text. First time you have to press cancel, second time again press cancel, and third time you have to press ok. Now your handset is reset, your password is reset, and now this time for go for home and wait and watch. Our phone is unlocked or locked, so go with the home. Now you can see the friend, my handset is unlocked and without any data of lost or without any help of computer. Similarly you can also apply this method at home only. So you still have any issue, please subscribe our channel and go with the comment section, and please comment here. I will give you best solution as soon as possible. So friend, bye.